Step into the future of precision planning and execution. Drone Harmony and Bentley systems unite to revolutionize the way we visualize and manage our world. This powerful partnership combines Drone Harmony's cutting-edge mission planning with Bentley's advanced 3D infrastructure modeling. Together, they empower industries to streamline workflows, enhance decision-making, and optimize outcomes. From infrastructure inspections and construction site monitoring to environmental protection and disaster response, this synergy delivers unmatched precision and efficiency. Drone Harmony simplifies complex mission planning, while Bentley brings life to data with its immersive 3D models. The result? Smarter insights and actionable solutions. Transform challenges into opportunities. With Drone Harmony and Bentley systems, the sky is not the limit. It's the beginning.